Clean the crumbs and debris without spreading them by sequencing your actions so each step removes particles rather than redistributing them. Start by clearing the surface of small movable items like salt shakers, napkin holders, and decorative pieces and place them in a shallow tray or box so you can easily return them later. Use a stiff microfiber cloth or a dry disposable cloth to sweep larger clusters of crumbs toward the edge of the surface. Do not use a damp cloth yet because moisture can push particles into crevices and smear sticky residues. For fine crumb dust, gather a handheld brush with firm bristles and sweep gently into a small dustpan, holding the dustpan at a slight angle against the surface to prevent scattering. If crumbs can fall safely to the floor without touching other items, let them drop and plan to vacuum the floor next, rather than collecting them on the counter. After dry removal, use a slightly damp microfiber cloth with a neutral cleaner, or 1 part vinegar to 1 part water for wooden surfaces only and wipe in straight strokes, following the grain or long axis to lift remaining residues without dragging more. Debris. Finish by running a vacuum with a crevice tool or a soft brush attachment over the floor and the base of cabinets to capture fallen particles and any dust you dislodged during surface cleaning. The most common mistake is wiping with a damp cloth first, which pushes crumbs into seams and makes sticky smears. The fixes always start dry and only introduce moisture after coarse removal. Another frequent issue is moving items around repeatedly, which scatters debris. Prevent that by gathering small items into a tray up front so you touch them only once. People also skip the floor step and leave crumbs that will be tracked back onto surfaces. Avoid this by planning to vacuum or sweep the floor immediately after surface cleaning so crumbs are collected rather than left behind. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors so people can find help when a cleaning task is part of a larger project. We also help contractors find jobs and grow their visibility, and we host a discussion community where users exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world sequencing strategies.